Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great day. In today's video I want to share with you some photography tips. My previous video was about how to use photo prints in your photo portraits. So if you haven't seen it already, check the link above and below this video. Well, but let's talk about today's video. It will be about flower power. I want to share some tips with you how can you use flowers in your photography. I took all of my photos in interiors, so I hope this will be much easier for you to be inspired. First category of photos are classical portraits with additional flowers. If you love self-portraits, you can use flowers to be part of your photo, but you can also use one dominant flower in it. Also, you will have something to interact with in your photo. If you are a little bit shy by taking self-portrait, you can use a bunch of flowers or even one small flower to distract attention from you. You will have something in your hands to interact with and you won't be so much focused on camera. I love classical portrait photography like this one, but if you don't have a black studio background, you can also take photography in any room in your house. This one, for example, is taken in the kitchen, and I like the composition and a little contrast in the colors. This kind of photos, when you don't look straight for the camera, is great for people who are shy or don't like self-portraits, but you are still in a portrait and you are the dominant part of your photo. Another category of photos with flowers are category which I call story behind you. To make your photo more interesting and flowers more enhanced, make a portrait of your back. You can also zoom to your hairstyle to make a photo more vintage. Another category of my photos is category books and flowers. So when you're taking photos in interior, use any props you have at home. I like ideas to use books and flowers together, but if you want to use composition with some book pages and you don't want to destroy your book, you can print some text and then make the paper more vintage, like this, by burning the edges. You can make also a collage of flowers, so use a lot of different flowers and small flowers to make your photo more interesting and colorful. So I really like this photo. I like the idea with the cornet. On the Instagram or on the Pinterest there are many such of photos, and I think the idea is simple but very cute. On this one photo I like also the shadow behind the cornet of flowers. Another category are storytelling photos. Do you like reading books? So tell it to your audience. Or do you like flower decorating or trying something new and creative? This is the way you can show to your audience what you're thinking of, what you're doing and what you like. You can put flowers into dishes to make a composition more interesting. So for example, make a flower soup or I have here such a cute mug and I use it as a decoration. Last tip is to show flower power in your photos. There are many photos out there that you put flowers into your sleeves or into your boots. I also try to make some of these photos and I like the mood of these photos and how it all comes together. I think these photos are interesting because it's a not common activity what you do with flowers. From me today. I hope these tips somehow inspired you, so stay tuned, stay creative and have a great day.